أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير. وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور. ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير. هو الذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور. أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير. ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير.
Indeed, those who fear their Lord unseen will have forgiveness and great reward. And conceal your speech or publicize it, indeed, he is knowing of that within the breasts. Does he who created not know, while he is the subtle, the acquainted? It is he who made the earth tame for you, so walk among its slopes and eat of his provision, and to him is the resurrection. Do you feel secure that he who holds authority in the heaven would not cause the earth to swallow you and suddenly it would sway? Or do you feel secure that he who holds authority in the heaven would not send against you a storm of stones? Then you would know how severe was my warning. And already had those before them denied, and how terrible was my reproach.
وإذا قرئ القرآن فاستمعوا له وأنصتوا لعلكم ترحمون.
So, when the Quran is recited, listen to it, and be silent that you may receive mercy.